Hi fellas, nice back here again with another quick update on what's been going on. So it's been, well, it's not been a busy month, it's been more of a steady month. So first off, we went to our first model show as a company on Sunday the 22nd. Spalding's Wings and Things, which is about an hour and 45 minutes down south from us, as you're just going into Anglia, just near Kings Lynn. And yeah, we really enjoyed it. You would have seen a video already out of the actual show itself, but we had I would say a fairly successful day. I won't say it's a massive show. There are about 5 traders, us being one, and I'd say about 25 to 30 clubs from the local area. It might have been a little bit less than that. But everybody made us welcome. Everybody's really nice and really friendly. And everybody seemed to like our mask sets. And we sold, quite a few sets, which was great. First show, all the what's the word? The support that they showed us was absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that was really good from our point of view. Met some great guys, everyone that came to the stall. When we were walking round, myself, Harvey, Bell, Lisa, whoever it was, they were really friendly. So we can't really thank enough the fellas down there. So that was this Sunday. A couple of weeks before that, there's a new modelling group that's started up in the Doncaster area. So that's good, yeah. So I went to that with Harvey, and Harvey really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it as well. So it's the first time I've ever done anything like that. So that was good. Getting to meet some like-minded people in the local area and all that sort of stuff. Took along a couple of my builds. I got to see some more builds and meet some faces, and in the hobby and whatever. So that was really good. And we'll move on to what I've been up to. So we'll start with the Tempest. So I've been working on the Tempest, as you can see. The fuselage is mainly together. I've tackled majority of the actual seams on it and some other bits and pieces. I just need to do a bit more work on the seams, and I can get to re-riveting and all that sort of stuff. But the cockpit's in, as you can see. So that's going together great. Lovely build, lovely aircraft. Next up is the AMK K-Fair, and as you can see, I've got the engine together. I've started getting the fuselage together. This is going to take some work because there's some really big seam lines that are going to need filling and sanding, okay, to make them all fit. So that's about as far as I've got with that one. But yeah, it's going okay. I mean, it's going to look quite cool once it's finished. I can get the engine in there. It should just slot in. I better it doesn't. Probably have to do some bits and pieces. Probably have to trim it. But then the engine just slots in, so that'll be added at a later date. Okay, so that's that. The seat and the instrument panel. Don't really be able to see that. Okay, so that's the K-Fair. So that's cracking on. That's a slow time build. Only really crack on with that when I feel up to it. And then I started a new one. Well, not a new one as such, but started with the MiG-29 from Great Wall Hobby. So you can see I started getting some of the fuselage parts together, doing the undercarriage bays, getting the actual cockpit in there. You're not really going to be able to see these in this light. Getting the cockpit in there, getting the engine intakes, the air intakes, and the actual engine all built up. This again, it needs a little bit of filling and sanding in places, but again, nothing that I can't really tackle. So that's coming on quite nicely. I bought an aftermarket seat for this one. Okay, so if you can just see that, because I didn't find the seat that came with the kit that good, if I'm honest. And the instrument panel in the actual cockpit, there are, how many decals were there? 18, 19. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No, 23 decals. 23 decals just for the instrument panel. Yeah, so that was an evening. But they went down beautifully, and they went down really, really well. So I really can't complain at that. The rest of it's building up quite nicely, and again, that should be that should be a good build. I'm really looking forward to cracking on with that. I've also got some buys, and the first up is this. So this is the Eduard, Chattanooga Choo Choo Mustang, the D, also one with a fillet. Okay, so this is the one that's the post fillet, and in the kit there's some for that were field applied, some applied in the factory. But when I do the review, we'll talk about that review, should I say? And that was £32, which I don't think was a bad price really, because there's a lot of plastic in there. But even better price was this one. So this one, Eduard's 109 F4, one of their neutral variety. I picked this up from the show for £22, and there's a lot of plastic in here. You get photo etch, mask sets, and 6 different marking options. So again, I know I seem to be doing a lot of Eduard kits, but when you think about the price and what you get, they're a bargain really, because you get all the surface detail and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I love Airfix. Okay, that's what I started out. I love Tamiya, but they lack some surface detail. They might go together okay with the Tamiya instances, but again, there's not much detail actually on the aircraft itself. Same goes for the actual the Airfix kits, the Hurricane Air to re-rivet it all. So to be able to get all that out of the box for about £30 to £35, if not less, you know, you can't complain. And the weekend editions, you can get these kits. Some of these kits, especially the 109s and the Spitfires, you can pick up for, you know, £17. The Hellcat, probably one of the best kits in 48th, in my opinion, and that's like £15 you can get. You know, it's really, really good. And the dual combo, 28 quid for 2 kits with full photo etch, some resin parts in there, mass, 6 marking options. You know, for 28 quid, what's that, 14 quid a kit? You know, it doesn't bear thinking about. Yeah, so I do love Eduard, and I think they are up there with one, if one of the best companies in that sort of scale. I don't know what it's like in 132nd, and I know they're 132nd at 109. I think he's not brilliant, but yeah, they've got some good kits out there now. Well, that's enough of me rambling on. I will see you on the next video, and I think that's about it. Okay, bye for now, fellas. Ta-ra.